Hey everyone, let's welcome to Data Discovery. So today we are going to learn about the ILOC and LOC. So what is the difference between the ILOC and LOC key and why we are using it, etc. things that we are going to share in this video. Before starting with the data, we'll just start with the list. Okay, what is the list called? So list is nothing but you are storing the elements in the format of square brackets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything that you can store, the int values, the float value, the string at a time, you can store any type of the data type. So if I need to extract only the first two values, then what I will be doing it? I will be extracting the list of I need to extract 1 and 2. So my the zeroth value, that is nothing this will be my zeroth value. This is my 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, as per the list extracting. Okay, we will be extracting with the help of the range. So what the range that I will be giving, I will be extracting the zeroth value that I will be getting as 1. If I will be extracting 1, I will be getting as 2. But for example, if we will be extracting 0 is to 1, then we will be getting only 1. Why we are getting it? We will just prove it, okay? By using the Jupyter notebook. So I'm having a list 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, in which I will be extracting the 0 is to 1. Then I will be getting as only 1. Okay, because whenever we are extracting the last value, okay, the 1, that is nothing but the the zeroth value at first. So at that moment the last value will be deleted. At that moment it couldn't able to extract. So if I need to extract the first and second values, then I will be taking one more value, like I will be taking 2, then I will be getting as 1 2. Okay, in the place of 1 2 3 4 5 we'll be giving some other name like A comma B. Then you will be not confused whenever I'm using the in terms. Okay, so now it's the time to guess that if I will be extracting 0 to 1, okay, then I will be getting as A only. Okay, if I need to extract the A B C, okay, three terms I need to extract, then I will be giving as 0 value, okay, as per the int 0 1 2. Okay, but if I will be giving as 2, then only A and B will be extracted. But if I need to get it as C also, then I will be giving one more value, that is called as 3. Then I will be getting as A B C. Okay, so this is nothing but extracting the values from the list. But if we are need to extract in the format of data frame, then how we need to do it? Okay, so let's start. So whenever we are extracting the list, we will be giving the particular range that we need to extract, and then we'll be getting as output, right? So this is accepted in the 1D format. Okay, list is in 1D, that is nothing but one dimensional. But if it is in the format of data, what is data? In which it contains several number of rows and several number of columns. So how we need to extract at that moment? So there are various kind of the techniques that we can use to the extracting rows and columns. But by using the LOC and ILOC and LOC, okay, we can extract it as per our need. I have read the CSV file. Okay, by using the data, how we will be using the LOC and ILOC, we can see the difference based on the data itself. So I will be sharing this data file on the GitHub repository, but still you can take any of the data. ILOC is a key. Okay, it's the function that we will be using it, but it can do it in n number of data. Whatever the data that you have, you just write in the data. Okay, but anyways, I for the example that I have read one of the data, okay, in which it contains the salary, database, country and race. Around 8 rows I'm having, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, 9 rows I'm having. So what I will be doing it, I will be extracting the particular rows and columns, and we will be seeing the difference between the LOC and ILOC. In the head means around 5 rows it will be extracting. So 0 it's first row, second, third, fourth, fifth row it's extracting at a time. Okay, by using the head function. So what I am getting is like one unnamed. So anyways, I'm not interested in this form. Okay, this value, this column I'm not at all interested. So how I will be deleting it from the data that we will be seeing in the file. Okay, anyways, we will be run this CSV file. Okay, and we'll see the difference, and based on the difference we will apply it. Okay, so difference between the LOC and ILOC. So both the things, the common thing is it used to extract the particular rows and columns. So there are certain difference. Okay, based on our need we can do it. So first, LOC is label based indexing operation, selecting a data in basis of rows and columns. Okay, it's called as a label based indexing operation. What is label based? Label based is nothing but the feature value. A feature value is nothing but a column name. So particular column values, this all are the column values, my bachelor, master, PhD, all are my column inserted values. Okay, it's stored in the column name called educational level. So we use this words again and again. It's called as a feature value or label value. Okay, so LOC is label based indexing operation, selecting a data in basis of rows and columns. So whatever the rows and columns that you need to extract it, so you will be giving the particular row value or column value in the LOC part. But in ILOC, we used in the format of integer based indexing operation, selecting a data from a data frame based on the integer position. So as I have said, like in LOC we will be giving the particular feature values a label value, but in ILOC we will be using the integer format. What is this integer format that we have seen previously in the list? It's called, okay, the particular value that I need to extract, the particular a that I need to extract, then I will be giving as 0, then I will be getting as a, right? But if I need to get I need to get this d value, so what I will be doing, I will be giving the particular index 0, 1, 2, 3, then I will be getting as d. Okay, but at a time I need to extract b and c, so what I will be doing it, okay, 1 is to 3, then I will be getting as BC. Okay, this is the extracting values in the format of list. But in the data frame, by using a LOC and ILOC, what we will be doing it. Okay, so in LOC, we will be extracting by using the feature name. Like if I will be extracting the education level, then I will be getting this column. Like if I will be extracting the job title, I will be getting this column, right? But in ILOC we will be getting the integer value. Like if I need to get age, gender, education level, job title, okay, only this four columns, and the other columns that whatever is present that I'm not at all interested, for example, then I will be giving only the integer value, like the unnamed. Okay, this will be stored in the int value is 0, age 1, gender 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I will be extracting, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I will be giving the particular data frame that is stored in df, and I will be using the ILOC term, and then I will be extracting the particular column. Okay, what particular column? First, a1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 1 is to 5, then we will be getting this particular column. But at the moment, even I need to select the row also. So how many rows that you need to have, whether the 2 rows, 3 rows, or n, all the rows that you need. So based on that we will be giving the values in the ILOC and LOC. So this is the syntax for LOC, and this is the syntax for ILOC. Okay, the syntax, in there will be certain difference, like in LOC we will be giving the particular feature name. Okay, but in ILOC we will be giving the range value. Okay, so next difference is you can use slices, list, or boolean array to select the specific rows and columns that we have seen in the format of list, that how we will be selecting the slices format. So same thing over here also we can do it by using the specific rows and columns. Okay, over here we are using the slices in the format of giving the particular row and column values, but over here we are giving the integer values. Okay, the indexing operation, by using the indexation operation, and over here by using a label operation. The difference is, but it takes two arguments, the row label and column label. Yes, so it's taking a two argument, one is will be the row label and the column, both the things that we need to give. But in even on ILOC also it takes two argument, a row value and the column values. Fourth is the row and column label is inclusive. Okay, this is the most important term for LOC and ILOC, and this is the major difference from LOC and ILOC. That is, the row and column label is inclusive. That is, both the start and the end label that we are giving it, it includes the selection operation. So what is this? um Gender, education level, and job title. So all the things will be included. Like, it's not in the format of list. Like, when we are given the list format, like 1 is to 3, 1 will be B, C will be 2, right? And D will be 3. But this 3 haven't included in the list. But in the LOC, that will be included. Like, if I will be giving us age to job title, okay, anyways, we will be seeing the difference, we will be seeing the code for it. But just the explanation, if we will study, if we will complete with the same explanation, then it's very easy to understand the code, the syntax part, right? So I will be giving us first term as age, then the job title. Okay, so all the column will be extracted including the job title. But if I will be extracting in the format of indexing, that is using the ILOC, like 1 2 3 4, then only this term will be included, the job title will be excluded. So that is the major difference between the LOC and ILOC. Okay, we will be seeing this difference. Let's begin with it. Okay, first I will be extracting the LOC part. Okay, in which, as I have said, I need the only two rows, and I need age to job title, the complete column that I need to extract it. So what I will be doing, I will be giving the age feature and even the job title. Okay, and I will be using the colon, so that each and everything will be included. As you have seen, all the column have been included. But in the ILOC part, I'm not giving this particular feature. Okay, I will be using this index value. But if I will be extracting only the 4, that is nothing but it's present in fourth column, right? It's present, anyways, it's present in fourth column. Like 0 1 2 3 4. But if I will be giving a 0 to 1 to 4, then only this till education level is present. The last, it will be excluded in ILOC. Okay, only in ILOC it will be excluded, but in LOC it will be not excluded. Okay, so at that moment we need to give an extra. So it's nothing but the fifth part, that is nothing but fifth row or column will be excluded. Okay, so it's not only happening only with the column term, even on the row also it's happening. Like over here I have extracted 0 to 2, that is nothing but 0 row 1 2 row. In LOC it's extracting the complete row, but in ILOC it's excluded, like 0 1 2 3 4. Then the fifth row, it's been excluded. So in ILOC, the last range that we are giving, it will be excluded, but in LOC it will be included. So that is the difference between the LOC and ILOC. So anything as per our need, we can use it as per our requirement of the project. So whenever we are doing the project, we used to extract a particular row and column, and we need to analyze it. Then after only we can move with the algorithm part. So at that moment, the LOC and ILOC comes into a picture. I hope this video finds so useful and so helpful in your project. uh, we will be uploading this kind of the video. Anyways, I will be sharing this notebook in my GitHub. I will be giving the link in the description box too. Till then, keep learning and keep discovering with data.